In this profit stream review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that you're going to be paid $39 every time you click and drag just one link. I'm going to be telling you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. Make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Profit Stream, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says revealed $22.9 billion loophole pays us to click and drag, push one button, automated loophole pays us $39 every time we click and drag just one link. Perfect for beginners without skills, without expenses, without experience. We've made $32,000 in profit in 30 days, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, this is a really hypey sales page as normal. However, the idea behind this is actually quite cool. What this does is it allows you to create websites that look just like YouTube and monetize them yourself. It's a really neat idea, something that I haven't seen done before. I'm going to show you exactly how this works here in this review. However, this headline here about $39 every time you click and drag, I'm not really sure what that's all about, how they've made $32,000. I don't even know if they can verify that they made that money here. They say that they made 32,000. At this point, I'm very, very skeptical of all income proof that I see on these sales pages. So just so you know, they say that these people are beta testers. I don't know if these are real people. All these different people here showing these different screenshots of people that made money. I don't know if these are real people. I never would tell you to base your purchase on this income screenshots here. So if you're going to purchase this, purchase it based upon what it does and not on the fact that you think you're going to make magic money by buying it. It's just not going to happen, right? I hope we all know that by now. Step one, it says click any of the buy buttons. Step two, activate your profit stream. And then step three, we're making at least $39 every time we do this. I don't know. This is marketing, right? Let's step back and understand that. So if we scroll down this here, take a look here at what this all is. Some screenshots of beta testers. Again, I'm not able to verify any of these claims of beta testers making money with this. If you do decide to purchase, you're going to have access to the software. You have access to extra bonuses, all that inside the members area. One thing that I will show you here, if you come to the sales page and you move your mouse away, you can get a $2 discount off of that. So make sure you do that. I make less as an affiliate, but I always want you to get the lowest price. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, I'm going to play a video showing you a little bit more about what this is all about. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and a real example site in the OTO.
Check this out. I made over $32,416 in pure profits in the last 30 days, which has now been deposited straight into my bank account. And all I had to do to keep the payment streaming in was to click and drag one secret link on my smartphone. That's right, this brand new profit siphoning technology does it all for me, so I don't have to create any content, drive any traffic, or even do any selling myself. There's nothing techie to do, and I've been able to make this money without spending a dime up front. This is 100% pure profit, and I'm now free to spend that money on anything I want, like luxury vacations, gifts for my friends and family, new cars, and even pay off some existing debt. My payments just keep streaming in whenever I click and drag one link on my phone or computer. In fact, every time I click and drag these links, I make at least $39 every time. And what's even cooler is this is working for other people, including complete beginners right now. They've just tapped into the same profit system and are piling up payments of $39 over and over for themselves. Here's a payment of $418.92 that was made within 24 hours, another one for $632.75, and another for $2,120.31, all deposited straight into their bank accounts, which means they're now free to spend this money. How did we pull this off? Well, this has nothing to do with any existing methods that you've probably tried in the past and failed with, like e-commerce, dropshipping, paid advertising, posting on social media, creating videos, getting on camera, or anything complicated like that. We're all using this brand new app to make $39 every time we click and drag one link and get free buyer traffic at exactly the same time. So, how would you like to do the same thing? Well, I'll share the secret with you in the next 2 minutes. It's all thanks to a hidden loophole that lets us legally skim profits from a $22.9 billion industry without any experience, technical skill, or even waiting, because we're getting results and generating huge payments within minutes. And thanks to the secret link technology we've developed, now you can do the same thing with ProfitStream, the world's first one-click app that pays us from other people's content. Beginners and pro marketers alike are loving ProfitStream. Finally, a system that delivers real results you can use anywhere and anytime to get real results online, straight from your phone. Sure, it's compatible with laptops and desktops too, but we love the freedom this mobile solution gives us. ProfitStream is the most powerful software my team and I have ever created that has allowed us to make $39 every time we click and drag links online and get real genuine buyer traffic at exactly the same time. And if you follow these 3 super simple steps, you'll be generating free buyer traffic starting today, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life you've always dreamed of. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy of ProfitStream before the price increases. Step 2. Activate the ProfitStream app. Then click and drag one link where we show you. It's one click and it takes less than 30 seconds. When you want more, just click and drag again and again. Step 3. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the unlimited free buyer traffic that ProfitStream brings to your secret links 24/7 as payments start to stream in. Yes, it really is that easy. If you follow those simple steps, you'll see success with the ProfitStream software and system. This software has been created from the ground up for beginners just like you, so you can finally see real results online. What's so great about the ProfitStream system is that it gets you free buyer traffic from a $22.9 billion source. ProfitStream uses advanced technology to monetize other people's content for you, so all you do is click and drag one link and the software handles the rest. No traffic, no products, no maintenance required. This is the ultimate way for complete beginners to see fast results from anywhere. And we found this to be an incredibly time-efficient way to add extra income streams, regardless of what else you got going on. If you're like 9 out of 10 people, you've always got your phone with you, right? Now it could be getting you the results just like it is for us and all our beta testers. And for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. If you can click and drag one link on your phone or computer, then you qualify for success with ProfitStream. This is the laziest income solution that you'll find online and barely takes a few minutes per day to see great results. ProfitStream is truly a one-click solution, which is perfect for those who are looking for fast shortcuts. To get you the best and fastest results, we include world-class training and profit tactics from the 7-figure marketer who developed this technology. So what's a fair price for a proven one-click profit system that has stuffed our online accounts with $39 payments on autopilot? Well, $397 monthly would cover our costs of development and ongoing support. And even if you just got a fraction of the results of our beta testers, ProfitStream would pay for itself many times over. But we realize the people that need this the most may not be comfortable with such a high monthly subscription. So for an extremely limited time, we're eliminating recurring fees and slashing the cost to less than the price of takeout dinner. On top of that, we put together a loaded stack of custom money-making bonuses worth over $9,000. You wouldn't find these anywhere else because we've custom created these specifically for ProfitStream. And if you're one of the first 100 buyers, you'll also be getting our extra special traffic bonus just for the first few buyers. As amazing as bonuses are, the most important thing is that ProfitStream works as advertised for you, because we've all been burned before and we want this to be a great experience for you. You're getting an industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee, which means you have more than enough time to try ProfitStream. And if you don't get the results, we'll give you your money back and give you free coaching for as long as it takes to get you making profits. It doesn't get any better than that. Life's full of choices, but if you're looking for a shortcut to amazing results online, this is an easy one. Grab ProfitStream now during this special launch for just a rock-bottom, one-time fee, and let's make your dreams a reality.
Okay, so this is the backend area. Of course, this is where you access everything in here, all your different campaigns and everything. This is what one of these sites actually looks like. And they host everything for you. It really looks like YouTube. Like it has like you can customize this with your name and the amount of subscribers. Have like the subscribe button here, and then you can take these videos. You don't even have to do the videos yourself. You put them on here. You put your own ads on them. Put like affiliate ads on this, affiliate links and stuff. I mean, this looks like YouTube. This is pretty cool. So you can create your own site with stuff on it that people are going to go on this, and it's kind of like almost like doing like some kind of like a jacking thing with this. So it's kind of a neat thing to do with this. So again, it's not going to make you $1 million, but it's a neat software if this is something that you're looking for. They do have multiple OTOs here. So the first one here is going to unlock unlimited option. Now, if you move your mouse away, you can bring the price down to 37. Again, I make less by showing this to you. So please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Next one is a done for you version. Move your mouse away, you can bring the price down to 97. Next one here is unlimited traffic. So it's some kind of a traffic method. You can move your mouse away and get that price down to 67. There's an autopilot version. You can move your mouse away and bring the price down to 37. Here's one that is they'll do the hard work for you. I'm not sure what that is. Bring the price down to 47. Next one here is you can get 99 of their best-selling products. You can bring the price down to 37 if you move your mouse away. Then you can get reseller rights. You can bring the price down to 67. Next one here is clone their business. I'm not sure what that is. You can bring the price down to 19. Next one here is, would you like to generate $50 by pressing one button? Yes, I would. I'm not sure what this one is, but you can bring the price down to 19. And the last one here is, it looks like some kind of a coaching program. You can bring the price down to 37. So all the OTOs, and there are a lot of them, are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Profit Stream and what don't I like about it? It's normal. What do I not like about this? The marketing on this, like, they don't really tell you what it is. They say you're going to be paid $39 over and over again. That's not going to happen. You don't just magically make money online. There's no push button thing. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? I think this is a unique idea. I've never seen anything like this before. If you're looking for a software that does what this does, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Profit Stream, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.